Hey guys, I am so excited to film today because we're going to be trying out the Scooby Doo collection from Glamlite, which is super exciting. And there's quite a few products in this one. So we have a liquid eyeliner, we have some lashes, we've got the little highlighter. I think it's like a duo, maybe? Oh, 4 gorgeous highlighters. Huh? I did not know I had 4, but anyway. Then we have a mascara, we've got some lipsticks, and then we have the 2 palettes. So let's get into it. I'm just going to decide what palette to use today. So this is the Creeps and Crawls palette. So it looks like that. Super dark and like vampy and very pretty. And then the other one we have is the Rotro Raggy palette, which looks like this. Oh my god, I really don't know what palette to use today, guys. This is very tricky. We might use a mix of both. Okay, actually, no, you know what? I think I'm gonna go in with this one, the Creeps and Crawls palette for today. And I think I'll do a separate video on this one, or like use it in another video or something. So I'm just gonna start by priming my eyes with the P. Louise eye base. I literally leave in like 11 days, which is crazy. I'm really excited. So yeah, we are leaving at the end of January and we're coming back in March, so, or like very end of February, which is really exciting. It's going to be like obviously the longest that I've ever been away from home, away from my dog, away from my friends. I've literally lived like a 10-minute drive from like everyone in my life. Okay, well maybe a little bit more, but like I live with my family, my uncle and stuff lives next door, and then my sister lives like 2 minutes down the road. So I've always been super close to all of my family, and now I'm going for like a month to be a long way away from them, which is really crazy, but it's really exciting. It's definitely something that I need, and I'm very excited for it. Okay, so I'm going to take this light purple shade first, and we're going to run that like all over the lid pretty much. But yeah, so my plan for YouTube while I'm over there is, because I'm going to try and film some makeup videos while I'm over there, but obviously like I'm not going to have all my equipment and stuff like that, so I don't really know until I get over there how that's going to go. But I do really want to do daily vlogs, because obviously I'm going to have a lot of time on my hands. Which, mind you, this the pigment of this is really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of time on my hands, a lot of like free time and stuff, obviously. So I'm gonna do daily vlogs. So they'll be coming out well after I'm back as well, because obviously I've got like a stockpile of videos to post for the first couple of weeks that I'm over there, and then the vlogs will come out later. So I feel like that'll be really fun. It'll be just cool to vlog it and just show you guys what I'm up to and what I'm doing and all that kind of fun stuff. And then yeah, I'll try and film like some sit down videos while I'm over there, but once again, like I don't really know how that'll go until I get over there and see kind of if it's going to work or not. I'm taking a lot of makeup, so obviously like I'll have enough equipment and stuff to be able to film, enough makeup to like film videos, but yeah, it'll just depend on lighting and if there's a place I can set up and all that kind of stuff. But either way, like obviously I'll be doing like, in my vlogs I'll probably be doing like get readies with me and all that kind of stuff. So okay, I'm going in with the shade next to it, which is like a purple, like a deeper purple, and running that one through the crease. But yeah, I'm really excited. Yeah, a lot of stuff's been happening in my life, but it's been a really crazy year since the 31st. I don't really want to talk about it yet because it's early stages, but yeah, things have been going really well, and I'm feeling a lot better mentally and trying to like, you know, be a lot more productive and stuff like that. I've gone back to work while I'm filming this. I started back on Monday and today is Sunday, so I was very tired this week. I did absolutely pretty much nothing. And I've been spending a lot of time with someone, but as I said, early stages. Okay, so Just gonna take this blendy brush. Just try and blend that. These are really pretty shades and they're blending into each other really nicely. So that's always good. That's always what you want. So these palettes, there's only like 5 mattes and then there's 5 shimmers. So they're not your most like versatile palettes, but I think they're very on theme with Scooby Doo, so I'm really not mad. I'm gonna take like this dark shade. It's almost kind of like black, but it's like not. It's got like more like purple. It's like a very deep purple. Just putting that on the outer corner. And once again, this is going to be a trust process. Yeah, I think this collection is really cool. I really like that they put, you know, because sometimes I feel like collections can get a little bit boring when it's just like, you know, the typical eyeshadow palette and then like some lipsticks and stuff. So I think it's cool that they included like an eyeliner and lashes and the highlighter and the mascara and stuff. Like I really like when they do stuff like that because I feel like it makes the collections like a little bit more interesting. So yeah, I feel like this was a really cool collection, and I love Scooby Doo. Like I really liked Scooby Doo when I was growing up. I still do now. And yeah, so I was very excited when I saw this. Okay, we're gonna blend. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera quickly to do a cut crease and then I will be back. Okay, so I have cut the crease now. Now I've got to decide what shimmer to use. I really want to put the blue on here and like incorporate that somehow, but then I'd also like to put something like in the, I don't know how to do it, guys. What do we do? What's gonna look the coolest? I feel like what I'm gonna do is maybe that. I do not know. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this blue shade here. That one. Just first, I'm just gonna blend this cut crease a little bit. And then we're taking the blue. And I'm gonna bring that like a little bit more than halfway over. And then I'm gonna take the purple, what one is it? This one? Yeah, I think. Or is it? Yeah, I'm gonna take the purple and I'm gonna put that like on the end of it. Oh my god, look at all the fallout on my face. Uh-oh. Did this brush have black on it? Whoops. I think it might have. Okay, change brushes. Wow, when these two are like blended together, they make like the prettiest like duochrome. Looks so cool. Okay, and then just quickly, I'll go back into the shade in the outer corner and blend it into the blue. It's almost created kind of like a halo eye effect, so. Oh my god, look at my face. It's okay, we'll clean it up. And just do the final blends. Okay. Alright, so I'll do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, but I'll just show you them. So this is the Bat Eyes liner. Packaging is super cute. And it looks like this. I feel like it's the cutest little bottle. It's so small, but I don't know, there might be a lot of product in there. And then this is the Bat Mascara. And it looks like this. The packaging, once again, is super cool. So yeah, I'll go off camera, I'll do that. I'll do my base and everything. We'll put the lashes on, which they look like this. And they're called the Haunted Eyelashes. And then yeah, we'll come back, we'll try out the highlighter and the lipstick and stuff. So I will be back shortly. Okay, so I've got my base on now. I actually really liked the eyeliner and the mascara. I thought they were really good. The eyeliner was super easy to use, super black, super like really thin little tip. I'll show you actually. So yeah, like that's the little applicator. And yeah, it worked really well. And then I really liked the mascara as well. I'll show you the brush. feel like it's a super like long brush, and it's like thinner at the top and like thicker down the bottom. So yeah, I felt like they just worked really well, and I love the lashes. I think they're absolutely stunning. Now that I have my lashes and my base on, I'm really happy with the way this like eye look turned out. I feel like it looks super cool. Anyway, let's get into the highlighter. So I'm just so confused that it says that there's 4. There's only 2. I'm so confused. So it says the perfect travel ready palette for the on the glow when solving a mystery. This highlight palette contains 4 gorgeous highlighter shimmers that complement a variety of skin tones and complete any look. Am I missing something? Anyway, so this is the packaging. It's super cool. It's like I don't know what that effect is, but anyway. And these are the highlighters here. I don't know what I want to go for. I think I'm going to go for the top one today. And use that. So they're very like duochrome. It looks really, really cool with the eye look though. Obviously, yeah, not your everyday highlight, but it does really complement this eye look. I think that's super cool. And then that's the other one. The other one's like super icy, which I might actually put that on my inner corner. Oh wow, that's absolutely stunning, guys. That's so pretty. Alright, I'm going to swatch the lipsticks and then I will choose the lipstick shade. So we have 3. Oh my god, I just dropped one. So this is the little packaging that they come in. They're really cute. So the first one we have is Jeepers. And all of like the packaging is like soft touch. I don't know what that like thing is, but anyway, so this is how the Jeepers lipstick looks. Oh my god, and they've got little spiders, like I don't know if you can be able to see this, but hang on. Focus. But they have little spiders like imprinted into it. Hang on, I'm trying really hard to get it to focus. Oh my god, it's focusing on everything apart from the lipstick. Come on. Okay, does that work? No. But anyway, they've got little spiders in there printed on it. You can't see it. I'm really sorry. I wonder if it'll work here. But anyway. Okay, so that is Jeepers. Then we have Rotro, like that. And then the last one that we have is Zoinks, which looks like this. So those are all the shades there. They're super pretty, really like neutral shades. But yeah, I'm gonna go off camera. I'll do my hair, chuck a lipstick on, put some mascara on my lashes, my bottom ones. And then yeah, I'll be back and we'll finish the video. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. I ended up going in with the Jeepers lipstick. I'll just give you a close up of the eyes. But yeah, I was honestly really impressed with this collection. I think they did a really good job on it. I think the packaging is awesome. The products are really good quality. I feel like everything was super cohesive, like, and super like on theme with Scooby Doo, which I thought was really cool. And yeah, like I said, I like how they added, you know, the little extra bits like the mascara and the eyeliner and the lashes and stuff. Like I just think it really helps keep collections fresh and fun. Otherwise I feel like it's just kind of eyeshadow palettes with different themes, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really like that they did all of that. I'll definitely try out that palette in another video or off camera or something. But yeah, no, I was super impressed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!